Hey there! After a lot of negotiating, I bought a ticket for the ferry from Manaus to Belem for me and my bike. The motorcycle is loaded already, and yeah, we will be
Esto,
on
capitán.
our trip, or
Hola.
the trip from Manaus to Belem
¿Tu
will take
capitán es
5
vos?
days. There are no roads here,
Esto, moto.
everything is too muddy, there is just jungle, the big Amazonas jungle. The ferry gets loaded. A lot of stuff, everything has to be transported on the ferry here. And even there are no roads, you can still see people live here. They live on the water, with the water, and yeah, I would love to stay and visit those little places. Unfortunately, my bike is loaded on the ferry and there is no way to get it off. The ferry doesn't stop. Sometimes people get off the ferry or come on board, but the ferry doesn't stop. They come with a small canoe and then they climb above the fence of the ferry, the railing. Yeah, like you see here. And the family comes to pick someone up, and then yeah, they just climb off the ferry, but the ferry doesn't stop. It's amazing. If I would have to climb into a small boat like this, I would probably tip it over. But these people, they are probably used to it and have done it hundreds of times, so they somehow manage. But yeah, I already miss the Amazonas rainforest, the jungle. I hope I will be back soon. We still have 2 days to go. I pitched my tent on the ferry while everyone else is sleeping in a hammock. Yeah, bye bye jungle. So beautiful, the nature. And in Belem, civilization is waiting for me again. Maybe I even find internet to upload all my gigabytes of video blog. Of course, in the jungle there is no internet. But thanks for watching.